In this video, I'm going to show you how I have students draw Unit 1 and Unit 2. Now, Unit 1 is the group of 2 black keys and the 3 white keys that surround it. So we have 5 keys total, and we're going to do this with 5 pencil strokes. So start by outlining the 2 black keys. 1, 2, put a case around it, that's 3, and then connect, 4, 5. So 5 pencil strokes to connect to the 5 keys that are in Unit 1. And then when we go to Unit 2, we have outlined the 3 black keys, and we build a case around it, and then make the connection. So 3 black keys, the case is 4, 5, 6, 7, and you got the 7 keys for Unit 2. There's very quick ways to do it. It doesn't need to be perfect. You just want it so that you're not going to mistake it for being something else. Students can, if they like, they can shade in the black keys. It's not necessary, but sometimes they like to do that. And this is just a quick way to draw a keyboard when we're music journaling. And that's it. That's our Unit 1 and our Unit 2.